We demand capital punishment for ED, Tagure, Ziyambi, Babiza, and Wignell. Nzarabna mashukubda choko pangwa inu na kerna mjati. Pangwa inu achiti aiwa, Zugananda zvichaenda chete. Zvingasava muzora nasi. But we know kuti Zugananda zvichaenda. Nzarabna mashukubda choko pangwa inu. Don't subscriber or like or on the bell icon. Start up na paindo akina mjata post this picture ambona rakanzi parliamentarians who gave handicap 3 comments are being threatened. Idi Mnangagwa, remember every dog is got its day. Surely yours is coming. Hands off our nation. Domashukana chipostiwa pana kerna mjata oyapindura chiti. We demand capital punishment for ED Tagure Ziyambi Mabiza Wickner. Unoenda chete. Zimbabwe inyika inevaridzi, inyika yevanhu. Iti wakushiko unofunga kuti iwena kuda Tagure ndimi makangwara kudarika wakafamba pavhu reZimbabwe ine musati maberekwa. Ndoma developments anoitwa pana kirira mjati achiti these are leading Zviganandas who are pushing for more constitutional amendments. Aruka achiti all the cartels who are surrounding the president, one day they are going. Pangwa ine anopa again my warnings. Kune these parliamentarians Barkun Konzi, they are being bribed. As we are seeing Panawe Kutagwa, Yama 31 million, which is being discussed across the nation. Pangwana Chiti, you parliamentarians, your time is coming. See what happened in November 2017, or the architects of the November 2017 coup, TSHABANGU. And you parliamentarians, you are now being used again. This is another tactic. We are now going to be finished as well. Which attack you one by one. Pangwa Inoi, Kiran Jati, she is going on ATAURA Kuti. We are fighting kuti Zvigananda zvirwe pasi and their day is coming. Though my developments are kuda pangwa in a place but what them fundo enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Comment section medu zo fundo enyu. So subscribe or like up or turn on the bell icon.